Things like hospital beds just don't happen to exist in hospitals. Think of a hospital bed as a type of medical equipment that undergoes a lot of rigorous testing before that style and shape of a bed is chosen. They may not be the most comfortable beds, but they serve a very specific purpose, which is to restore your health and to help your healthcare team navigate how to get you well as soon as possible. You may not remember this, but less than 50 years ago, a lot of hospital beds used to look like this, and now they look like this. And the reason why the hospital bed evolved so much usually starts with a small group of real patients and nurses who test out different prototypes under FDA supervision. Feedback from these people is commonly used to identify things like pressure ulcer risk and also just check for any sort of control panel glitches that may exist. Then usability researchers also come in to time how fast nurses or staff can lower the rails during a mock emergency and confirm that the different buttons work with gloved hands. And then comes the biochemical stress studies, which weighted plates are placed on these beds to simulate decades of patients shifting to prove that the frame will not fail. During these durability trials, a single test rig can raise and lower a bed up to 120,000 times in 1 week. This is similar to how many times that bed will probably be used in about a 20-year period. And then finally, infection control researchers come in and they do swabs to test out artificial spills, whether or not the surfaces of that bed will disinfect to hospital standards. So the next time you're in a hospital bed and you press that sit up button, remember you're dealing with just as important medical equipment and not just some random uncomfortable torture device.